Want to see how different actions affect your credit score? The Credit Simulator tool can help. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to use Credit Karma's Credit Simulator to predict how changes can impact your credit score. Step 1. Log into your Credit Karma account. Step 2. Navigate to the Credit Simulator tool in the dashboard. Step 3. Choose an action to simulate, like paying off debt, opening a new credit card, or missing a payment. Step 4. Review how each action could increase or decrease your credit score. Step 5. Use this insight to make smarter credit decisions and improve your financial health. Quick tip: try multiple scenarios to understand the best moves for your unique situation. Found this helpful? Like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy credit tips. Thanks for watching.